Cool. So right now we're going to set up another integration so that when somebody misses a payment, we're going to add them to a workflow and go high level. And then when we add them to workflow and go high level, it's going to send them out text messages and emails like, hey, you missed your payment. If you want to keep on doing your credit repair, if you have questions, whatever, make a payment. So for example, if we're going to use like Billsby or we can use ChargeBee, let's use Billsby as this example. So Billsby, we can event. Scroll down. Are all those ones that they have there?
Yes.
Subscription creations updated. Maybe when subscriptions updated, click on that. Continue. I don't know if you'll be able to exactly get into it if you don't sign in though.
Yeah, I don't have any.
Go back. Let's see if ChargeBee has it real quick. Has an easier integration here. Oh, press. Trade Zap. Trigger. Try and ChargeBee. Event. Payment failure. Yeah, ChargeBee better. And then you would sign in over here and click on create action over here. We're gonna skip that for now. We're gonna go to lead connector. Choose event. What we're gonna do is we're going to add lead to campaign. I mean, do you already have a email and text message campaign that can be sent out to them if they missed a payment?
No, I don't have that either.
Okay, so we're gonna do add campaign. Let's go back to over here. Let's go over to, we're not gonna create a let's create a workflow. So let's go over to automation. Credit refund automation. This one. All right, so let's create one really quick. Let's press create workflow. Start from scratch. Let's call this one missed payment. Click on plus to add a first action. Let's do a tag on here. Type in tag, TAG. Contact tag. Select tag. Just type in their missed payment. Then press add new tag. Press save action. Then press plus. Then we are going to, let's notify you. Type in notify, NOTIF. This is what I like to do. Select notification type. I always do SMS. To select user, type in custom number. Type in your phone number there. Go over here, click on the custom values. A contact, do full name. Full name, space missed a payment. Call him at this number.
Cool. I guess.
And then yeah, press custom values. Yeah. I mean, only you're gonna see this, so it doesn't really matter.
Oh, okay.
You can be sexist if you want. Yeah. Just contact. Phone. All right, cool. So what this is gonna do is just gonna send you a quick text message to your phone, but like, yo, this dude missed a payment. Give him a call, shoot him a text. That's it. Now scroll down over here. You want scrolling down? Yeah, that's it. Press that save action. All right, go over here. Let's do an SMS. Let me see what I have for my payment reminder. Let me get it. I get the exact copy for you, bro. Conversations, automation. Client workflow. Update paying method. Okay, here we go. Oh, where you go? Lost you. All right. Okay. I just texted it in the chat here. In the Zoom chat. So you should be able to get it from there. And just paste that in. Obviously you can change if you want, no matter, it's your own stuff, but that's what I used. Cool. Press save action. And we also do is also put up an email there.
An email.
Yep. Subject line is this, quite simply. Boom, I put it in chat. Then the actual words and stuff, copy, whatever it's called, is there. Cool. Now I'll put the words on there too. Oh, I'll space that out a little better though. So like right before I regret to inform you, put a space, enter. Yep. Then I'll put, if you have any questions right before there, I'll do enter. Do another enter. Here you go. And then yeah, I think it's good. I might want to put like at the end of there, put like some sort of closing to like enter sincerely or to your success, and then your name or your company name. And then let me teach you one little thing about a condition. I think you would like this as well too. So press save action there. Go over here. Scroll all the way to the bottom. It's like is an if else one. If else right there. What we're gonna do is reply true. Replace this one. Type in branch. Type in reply true. Then click this one. Contact details, I think it is. We should try. No, go back. It's contact. Yeah, press back to all actions. Contact reply. Oh wait, my apologies. Press X out of here. We gotta add a wait. Yeah, click on the X here. Right. Plus. Type in wait.
Oh, I gotta move.
How did I do without a wait? That's weird. Okay. Wait.
You said wait?
Yeah, WAIT.
I thought you said late.
No worries. Cool. Wait for. We're gonna scroll down here. Wait for reply or something like that. I think it's down below. Contact reply. Reply to. Select both of these. And the email. Just click off of it. Save action. Scroll down. Click on the plus. We're gonna add the if else. We're gonna scroll it down to the bottom again. If else. Replaces branch with the reply true. Boom. We're gonna do contact reply. Intent type. Oh no, contact reply, my bad. Contact replied. Boom. True. Save. Cool. Scroll down a bit. Contact reply true. We're gonna do send an internal notification. Type of notification on the top. Select. SMS. Custom to user type. Do your custom number again. And just use this. Here you go. For the chat again. Okay, press save. And then on the no side, add a wait. Or make the wait for 3 days. Now leave it how it is. Leave that how it is. Off it. Make wait 3. In days. Save. And then below that, we're gonna have a email go out. Subject line. Put this. Text message. I mean the message, actual message, put that. Space it out evenly, make it look nice. You know the deal.
Shit. Yeah. Wait, you keep hold on for 2 minutes. I
Yeah.
got delivery at my door.
Yep.
All right.
All right. So then after here, yeah, just add like sincerely or thank or to your success or thank you for understanding. And then your name. Oh, cool. All right, cool. Then click over here. Publish. Click save. All right, cool. Click on back to workflows. So this is the missed payment one. So we're gonna go to untitled Zap. We're going to click on this, continue. Continue. Campaign. You might have to refresh it. But actually click off of this. You're gonna have to refresh already now. Scroll down. At the very bottom, there's a button saying refresh fields. Refresh fields. Boom. Then scroll back up, find the campaign up there. Check campaign. Just type in missed payment. Boom. All right, first name. All right, so then what we're gonna have to do is when you integrate ChargeBee, you're gonna have to, like we did before, put the first name, put the last name, put the phone number, and put the email. Because the way it syncs is through email or phone number. So the most important part is you got the email or the phone number in there.
Okay.
So that's how you add a missed payment there. And because